Hi, I'm Dave from Excel Scuba Tenerife. We've been on Tenerife now 7 years. We have on Excel Scuba, we try and keep and teach all our customers, students to respect the environment, pick up plastic and anything that shouldn't be in the ocean, not to touch anything, and basically respect everything. All our courses are taught to an extremely high standard, and again, keeping the environment. We're trying to reduce plastics in the dive centre, so no single-use plastic, and basically just look after the environment in general. We have lots of beach cleanups, and Michelle, one of our master instructors, she's there, also known as Ocean Angel, and she does a lot for the environment, beach cleanups, along with Canary Green and a few others on the island, and we try and organise those at least once every 2 weeks.